Hey, what's going on guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to write, compile and execute C program in Linux. Now here I'm using an online compiler. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this code. Okay, let's look at the output of this code. If you execute this one, you should get sum of x plus y is equal to 35. Okay, now I'm going to Linux. So first you have to write the code. In order to write the code, you have to go here, applications, accessories, and then here Plumber text editor. Click this one, paste it right here. Okay, or you can type it right here, and then you have to serve your file, whatever the thing you typed. So serve as, give a name. I'm just giving 22 point, but at the end you have to put point C. Okay, now I am serving this one, and this is in the, okay, let me serve this one in the desktop so you can see it clearly. Application, let me serve it again. Accessories, it's already here, I'm sorry about that. Okay, let's serve as 22.c desktop. Okay, serve, and it's right here. Now in order to access this one, first you have to go to applications, and then here's system tools. Here you will see Mate terminal. Click that one and it will show you something like that. So first you have to make sure you see a $sign like this, and then here you type cd blank and desktop. Okay, backslash and enter. Now you have entered to desktop. Now you have to write your file name, but before you write your file name, put gcc, and after that you leave a space, and whatever the file name you served, that I served as 22.c, so 22.c right here, and then enter. Now I have gone to that file. Now I have to execute this compiled version. So in order to do that, I put point backslash and a dot out. Okay, now it should give the code. Here you see sum of x plus y is equal to 35, and that's how we write, compile and execute a C program in Linux. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are trying to learn C programming or C++ programming or Raptor, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. Go ahead and watch them. And also if you want to try these codes, it's all in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and watch them. And see you next time.